dy by dx equal to e to the power x plus y plus x square e to the power y. It is in ISC 2011. Now dy by dx equal to, we can write e to the power x into e to the power y, x square into e to the power y as it is. Dy by dx equal to, we can take common e to the power y here, e to the power y within bracket e to the power x plus x square. Now we can write dy by e to the power y equal to dx x square e to the power x plus x square dx within bracket e to the power x plus x square dx. Integrating both sides, we get dy by e to the power y equal to integration e to the power x plus x square dx. dy integration dy by e to the power y integration e to the power x dx plus we can write x square dx. Now it is dy by e to the power y equal to log e to the power y, e to the power x equal to e to the power x, x square equal to integration x cube by 3 plus c, log e to the power y equal to, we can write y, তাহলে y equal to e to the power x plus x cube plus 3 plus c. This is the final answer of this integration.